Reprogramming your mind is a transformative process that shifts your thoughts, attitudes, and beliefs to promote a positive outlook and greater success. Here is an effective strategy that combines cognitive and behavioral techniques used in psychology. 1. Understanding your current mindset. Reflect on your thoughts. Begin by identifying recurring negative thoughts or limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. Recognize patterns. Notice patterns in your thinking that lead to negative emotions or unproductive behaviors. 2. Setting clear and positive intentions. Define what you want. Clearly articulate the positive states or goals you wish to achieve. Be specific about what success looks like to you. Write them down. Document these goals and review them regularly to keep your focus and intention clear. 3. Cognitive restructuring. Challenge negative thoughts. Use techniques from cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) to question and combat irrational or harmful thoughts. Replace with positive affirmations. Develop affirmations that counteract these negative beliefs and reinforce your desired mindset. 4. Visualization. Engage in mental rehearsal. Spend time each day visualizing yourself successfully reaching your goals and experiencing the emotions associated with those successes. Use all senses. Make your visualizations as detailed and sensory-rich as possible to enhance their effectiveness. 5. Mindfulness and meditation. Practice mindfulness. Engage in regular mindfulness practices to increase your awareness of the present moment and reduce the impact of negative thoughts. Meditate regularly. Meditation can help reset your mental state, reduce stress, and support cognitive restructuring. 6. Behavioral experiments. Test your beliefs. Engage in behaviors that challenge your negative beliefs. For instance, if you believe you are not good at public speaking, start with small, supportive audiences to build confidence. Gradual exposure. Slowly increase the difficulty of these experiments as your confidence grows. 7. Consistency and persistence. Daily practice. The key to effective reprogramming is consistency. Make these practices part of your daily routine. Track progress. Keep a journal or log to track your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. 8. Seek professional guidance. Consider therapy. A therapist can provide personalized guidance and support to help you identify, understand, and reprogram deeply ingrained patterns of thinking. 9. Social and environmental influences. Surround yourself with positivity. Cultivate relationships that support and encourage your new mindset. Modify your environment. Make changes to your environment to reflect and reinforce your new mindset, such as decluttering or adding motivational quotes. Reprogramming your mind is a journey requiring self-reflection, consistent practice, and commitment to growth. By adopting these strategies daily, you can profoundly alter your thoughts, feelings, and actions, leading to significant life improvements.